Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, SBI hikes home loan interest rates. SBI increased its home loan interest rate to 6.95% from 1st April compared to 6.7% earlier. It will also charge a processing fee of 0.4% plus GST of the loan amount. It was not charging processing fee till 31st March as a limited period special offer. It is also likely that the other banks and financial institutions will also increase the home loan rates. News number 2, Macrotech Developers IPO starting tomorrow 7th April. Macrotech Developers, which was earlier known as Lodha Developers, will launch their IPO on 7th April. We have made a detailed video on this IPO today afternoon. Please watch the video. News 3, Shriram Properties planning for IPO. Shriram Properties, which is part of the Shriram group of companies, is planning for a rupees 800 crore IPO. It is a residential real estate company. It will use the IPO money for repaying liabilities and to provide exit route for existing investors. They had planned to launch IPO in 2018-19 itself but did not go ahead due to unfavorable market conditions. News number 4. Cinema theatres, hotels, airlines likely to be affected by restrictions in various states. Due to strict restrictions in Maharashtra and restrictions in many other states, cinema theatres, hotels and airlines fear loss of business since people are unlikely and unable to avail their services. Usually in the summer vacations, large number of people travel all over the country and it's a good season for tourism. But this year, the situation could be different. News 5. Mutual funds become net buyers in stock markets after May 2020. Since June 2020, Indian mutual funds continue to be net sellers of stocks due to redemptions from investors. However, in March 2021, mutual funds bought stocks for net amount of rupees 2,476 crores. So we need to see if the mutual fund investors will stop redemptions, thereby allowing mutual fund companies to invest more in stock markets. News number 6. Today's stock market update. Nifty went up by 46 points to close at 14,683, 0.31% up. Sensex went up by 42 points and closed at 49,201, 0.09% higher. I have put the table where it shows you the open, high, low and close data of the particular day of Nifty. This was today's breaking news. If this video was useful, please type useful in the comment section. Please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.